Hey guys, how are you? This is Aram Joseph from ufuk.com bringing you a tutorial on how to repair your disk on your computer. So the first thing we need to do is go to Utilities, and then we find Disk Utilities in the folder. From there, a window pops up showing all the hard drives that are connected to your computer. So for the purposes of this video, we're going to connect to the solid state that's holding the main OS of my computer. So we're going to go ahead and verify the disk and then repair it. And then once that's finished, we're going to go ahead and go to the partition and verify it. The partition is what holds the OS. So we're going to go ahead and verify the disk. Now, if I had a recovery HD and there was something wrong with the hard drive, I would be able to repair the disk once the verification was complete, as it is now. And that'll be very useful if something were to have happened. But for the purposes of this video, we're just going to go to the permissions. So right now we're verifying the permissions, which is basically all the settings that you have on the computer, settings that may have been set through desktop applications such as iTunes, or for settings that have been done on the internet such as Safari or Chrome. So this process runs through all the disk permissions that the system comes with as default, and it compares it to what it is now. It also compares it to settings that might have been tampered due to applications that have been installed or uninstalled, applications that you have given access to. So this process gives it a nice background check, basically. Once this is finished, we're gonna go ahead and click on Repair Disk Permissions, which basically will repair all the areas that it found to be different. This whole process is actually very useful if there's something wrong with your computer, if it acts funny, if it starts funny, and you're able to go to if you're able to boot to the OS. It's actually a very good process. This process is actually very beneficial in times where you may get a kernel panic, or in times where the computer acts funny, such as the Wi-Fi or the applications act funny. This process of verifying and repairing the disk permissions actually brings the settings back to default, which is what they're supposed to be, essentially fixing majority of the problems that you would be having with the programs. It doesn't fix everything, but I feel like it is a good start. So right now we're still going through the repair of the disk permissions, and it is quite thorough. As you can see in my case, it goes through each and every permission in every application that should be one way but actually is another, and it adjusts it in areas that it is allowed. And there we have it. If you like what you saw, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for future tech and how-to videos. Thank you.